Khubor berkelat ke Belanda tu. Ia berok sangut ya rak kesenduk cengkah. Tang bopet mentah pada Friday. Kam no ke cengcencar am. Tip syuk kan long kumna lah dah. Yap sama mana ni.
Ki Khubor kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda beke MBBS Henry Kindiat ki bapas ke admission ke lapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy lepi join menta pinyo ki kot bat ki materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na benda ka neat.
U aktor bapau jong ka film South u balakala long u menteri rangba ke jela Tamil Nadu. U si Joseph Vijay. U la Sospon ya laingut ki IPS Ophisar hadien bakilami bon ki jingken tho na ki riu ba. Namar ba kini ki laingut ki Ophisar ki Kren da ka khmat phu samrki. Ha ringkat ka jingyar ki ru ha kapor baki Kren shakilar pathai Khubor. Ha lor ka jingsha bat bor bat ka jingsha paniap jong ka khna kabadang shipos nem karta. Kabala jaha sulur Coimbatore. Kani ke jing Sospon ke day hadien bala sapriang ke video ke bala shem linkot tang ye ibenta ke bapen i bakini ke laingut ke Ophisar ki Rkhie ha kapor bakren shakilar pathai Khubor. Ki pajba kila bitar habaki yo iya kani ke video bat kila ong baka jingsha paniap jong ka khna shipos nem ka de ka Khubor ka basosi kthang ha ke jala Henry kini ki IPS Ophisar pat ki phu samrkhie. Hadu menta ka sorkar u Vijay kam shem la say pajba ya ka kerteng jong kini ki Ophisar namar ba ka jing tokit ya kiru kadang yad halor kani ke jingle jongki.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.